trees all made sweet, the trees made all of the buildings, all of the cars were once
The major problem is Smith.
in somebody's head.
They're trapped,
Pictures with broken glass, pictures that
Knock it out.
pictures.
Ari, you're here to
Say something.
not as much as not to be original.
Sono amico lì su questo programma, buona scopa.
There you go.
Hold out, wait until darkness comes. Nowhere in the corridors of pale green and gray.
This is Osherman Farm on this side. On this side is Bana Farm. Edison Bana Farm. Richard is his nephew. Well, basically the Richard Bana Farm, but Edison Bana owns the farm. He's planting palm on this side. I stand corrected. Richard's the only other person that's planting rubber other than us. Everybody else is planning to do a nursery this year. Eric is building farm 2. This year the one that built farm 2, the entire farm to plant.
What's that?
I was just going to ask you if you were.
I'm filming Mr. Roberts. I'm filming you.
No kidding. Let me cheers.
Cheers.
There's a day of celebration.
The old slave man might grind slow, but it grinds fine. Yeah, African herdman, wilding their horn. Just concentrate, cause heaven lives on. Retired slave men will look with a scorn, with a transplanted heart.
Termite behind it. The termites kill it and it's no good. Here's the button, and now it's dead. So when the rains start up, the ones that die, we'll have to replace it, get new ones and place it back in the hole. Start. Go. All right, go ahead.
Okay.
All right, this is a new planting year.
This is a new rubber tree.
Then you have, this one here is the newer clones. It's 4 to 5 years.
And this is
But
the
you're
new one?
fertilizing 4 times a year.
Where did you get the clone from?
On camera.
Oh.
we have means.
What region of the world do they come from? Are they from Liberia or are they from Brazil?
They originated in Brazil. Hibiscus brasilius, the rubber tree, originated in Brazil.
I see.
And
Malaysia. Brazil,
no.
huh?
Brazil is the origin of the rubber tree.
So it's
Okay,
my
the
machete.
Malaysians, they corner the market in rubber. They have most of the new clones are coming from Malaysia. But the clones that we're getting, the newer clones are all in Firestone. Firestone, we have 10,500 already pledged for the farm this year. So next year,
See the whole area?
these are planted. This is all nursery here. It's about 60,000 and about 20,000 here.
We plant them.
Yeah. These have to be budded. These are already budded.
The bottom, above ground to what?
Very green, as you can see, huh?
Beautiful.
Yeah, the clones.
This is beautiful.
We have the 20,000. We have how about one?
See the rubber?
Summer ganja planter, call me the ganja farmer. Deep down in the earth, me put the ganja. Babylon come and light it at our fire, me a chant. Yes, I'm a ganja planter, call me the ganja farmer. Deep down in the earth, me put the ganja. Babylon come, big stinking helicopter flow through the air. With them call it weed eater. Them never did it when me was out in water, or when me did implying fertilizer. Yet out of the sky them spitting fire, and I'm a little youth man with a hot temper. Me dig up me stinking rocket launcher, and in the air this was the helicopter me a chant. Some ganja planter, call me the ganja farmer. Deep down in the earth me put the ganja. Babylon come a lot it a fire me a chant. Yes, I'm a ganja planter. Call me the ganja farmer. Deep down in the earth when me put the ganja. Babylon come, yeah, tuna man. True Jaja bless I with no for good vibes man. And true me have the hardest set a ganja in the land. Make doctors get no meditation. And so them coulda give it to them sick patient. Make chemists get no medication. And so them coulda brew new medication. Make singers get some inspiration. And so them coulda spread your message pan the land me a chant. Yes, I'm a ganja planter. Call me the ganja farmer. Deep down in the earth when me put the ganja. Babylon come a light it at a fire me a chant. Yes, I'm a ganja planter. Call me the ganja farmer. Deep down in the earth when me put the ganja. Babylon come, watch out. Come and say ganja, 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 ganja. If you don't want to call it that, call it sensaminia. If you don't want to call it that, call it marijuana. If you don't want to...
Yep.
Mwije mwena, abarumirwe mwena, abaremerirwe yasina bahumuza.